Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the basic block and the flow graph diagram problem. So this is a much easier concept but students think it as a tougher one. So how to design means first let's design the basic blocks, then let's design the flow graph. So first these are the set of instructions or the conditions which has been given here. Now let's take the theory part first. Basic block is the collection of the statement executed in the sequence. So first we will make the blocks, then we will execute them in the sequence like that. Now the first rule and second rule. There are two rules to design the basic block. Then let's move to the flow graph. First rule is to determine the leaders. So first rule is to determine the leader. Who will be the leader? The first statement in the given question will be the leader. So which is the first question? So 1. Let's take the number itself. So first one will be the leader. That is prod is equal to 0. Next, target of conditional or unconditional jump. So if you see here, where is it conditional or unconditional jump? Where there will be go to. So if you see here, if I less than 20, go to 5. Target of conditional or unconditional statement. So this is the target. So 5 will become the leader. Next, again if you see, I am having here, next 7, which is the target of the 12th instruction. So 7 will also be the leader. Next, statement following conditional or unconditional jump. So here at the 9th instruction, I was having a conditional or unconditional jump which was giving the target for 5. After that, the following statement will also be considered as the leader. So it is 10th one. So 10th instruction will be considered as the leader, and here the 13th one will be considered as the leader. Now we got our all leaders. So the second step is using the rule number 2, start at the first statement of the leader and end at the new leader arrival. So you must start from 1 and up to 4 you must write. After 4 you will be having the new leader arrival. So you will be starting the new block. So I will design here from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So up to 1 to 4 we will be having them in the one block. PROD is equal to 0. Next I is equal to 1. T2 is equal to address of A with minus 4. Next T4 will be equal to address of B minus 2. Next, this full will be considered as one block or one basic block. Now you must start with the new leader up to 6 because the new leader is next new leader is starting from 7. So 5 and 6 will be the new block. 5 and 6 will be new block. T1 is equal to 4 star I. Star means multiplication. T3 will be equal to T2 into T1. Next, 7. So 7 to 9 you must write because the next leader is at 10. 7, 8, 9. So 7th is prod is equal to PROD plus T3. Next I will be equal to I plus 1. If I less than 20, go to 5. So 5 is the target. So this is the new block. Next, from 10 you must start up to 12 because 13 is my new leader. So 10, 11 and 12. So what is the 10th statement? J is equal to J plus 1. K is equal to K plus 1. Next, if J less than or equal to 5, go to 7th instruction. So this will act as the another basic block. Next we are left out with only one instruction, that is 13th one, which will be the leader, and only one is there. So this will be in the separate basic block. Now basic block construction is over. Let's show the flow graph. So from upside to downside. So this is the top down parsing technique only. From upside to downside it will be coming. So this is the flow of instruction. Now go to the target addresses. So if you see here in the unconditional or conditional statement, there is a target address given. If I value is less than 20, go to 5. So where is 5? 5 is in the second block. So So you must redirect the arrow towards this block. That is, you can represent using here only. So up to 5 you will be giving, because the target is of 5. So this is block number 1, this is block number 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 basic blocks. So now next, if you see here, if j is less than 5, go to 7. Where is 7th instruction? 7th instruction is in the third basic block. So you will be giving the instruction when if j is less than or equal to 5, go to the 7th instruction. So this is the flow graph from upside to downside, and if there is any targets given, target address, then redirect it to that basic block. So hope you understood the construction of the basic block and the flow graph. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.